Jerenikamath, continuation of the origin of gold. That color change was radioactive glow of heavy elements, including the gold, and being forged and decaying right before in the front of our eyes. And Professor Astronomer Ryan Foley captured it perfectly. We are seeing the heavy elements like platinum and gold are being made in real time, and the peer viewed models, including work by Cote and colleagues, estimated that the single collision has produced the 3 and 13 masses, that is 3 into 3 minus 13 into earth masses. Earth masses 3 minus 13 into earth masses. Earth masses of gold, producing the earth masses of gold. And several several earthworth is several earthworth created in seconds, and neutron star mergers are thought to account roughly half of all the elements half of all elements heavier than the iron in the universe. And in 2025 story, but in the 2025 story gained a surprising change in the chapter and surprising change in the chapter that the astronomers went back and re-examined the old data with a powerful 2004 flare 2004 flare from the Magnestar SGR 1806-20, and what they found was shocking, and the proof had been hiding in 20 years old data the entire time. The single flare produced enough heavy elements, including the gold, to form the planet the size of Mars. And the researchers believe that researchers now believe that magnetar flare is contributed up to 10% of heavy elements in the galaxy. And so here the gold is made by the cosmic violence. And so how far it was end up on earth. Here the end up on the earth. Now evidence published in the modern evidence published in the journal Science suggests that the shortly before our solar system formed, that is on 4.5 billion years ago. Before our solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago, there was an event. Rare catalysmic. That was an event of rare catalysmic event. Rare catalysmic, like a neutron star mergers, and scattered heavy elements into the molecular cloud to form heavy elements to form that is scattered the heavy elements in the molecular cloud to form the sun and the other planets. The event called the catalysmic event, likely neutron star merger. This catalysmic which this catalysmic event which scattered the heavier elements in the molecular cloud that created the sun and the other planets, and the gold which is present in your wedding ring is already existed in the space before the sun existed. And when the earth planet formed, everything has disappeared. And here the geologist called the gold has a sidorophyll, and gold loves iron, and the earth early um, early milestone earth during earth early molten phase during earth early molten phase, heavy elements like gold mixed with the liquid iron, and it sunk with towards the center in the process called the planetary differentiation. More than 99% of the earth gold is now locked in the metallic core, which is 1800 miles beneath our feet beneath our feet and beneath our feet and miles beneath our feet. There is enough gold down there to cover every continent at the thickness of 50 centimeters thickness, and the temperature in the core reach to 4000 to 6000 Celsius degrees Celsius. And we drilled up to only 8 we drilled up to the 8 miles, and it is 1800 miles beneath our feet, and we drilled up to 8 miles, and the temperature inside it is 4000 to 6000 degrees Celsius. Continuation next video. Thank you.